Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial we're going to show you how you can revoke invitations to your Monday.com workspace. For example, if you have sent these invitations via email to externals to join you as co-workers here to your workspace, and now you would like to cancel that invitation. Let me show you how to do that. Head over to Monday.com, log into your account and click on your profile icon in the top right, and here under account click into administration. What you want to do next, guys, is click into directory here, or expand directory on the left panel, and after that click into users. Here you will see a list of all users that have been already invited to your or that are already part or have been invited to your workspace. So you will see the current status here, pending. So if you see that status, it means that the given user hasn't accepted or nor declined the given invitation. So there's still time to revoke that invitation. To do that, head over to invitations here to the left, just like that, and after that click on send invitations here at the top, and after that you will see the current status of the given invitation here. So here to the right you may click into resend to send it again. For example, if the given user hasn't or has overlooked the given invitation, or if the given invitation has been moved to the spam folder of the given user's email inbox. So you may click into these three dots here and simply select cancel invitation to cancel that invitation. And that's basically it, guys. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.